Hey guys, it's Maggie with the Maker's Blueprint, and today I'm doing an unboxing voiceover for this multi-roll tape dispenser. Cody asked me to do this. It is from the brand Echomerx. I hope I'm saying that right. I will be leaving a link in the description below. It was purchased on Amazon, and I'm looking forward to using this product. It can be used with multiple types of tapes and multiple core sizes. I will be using it for heat tape to help me in my sublimation and HTV products. Now, I wish you could hear this original audio because Cody can be very humorous. That core he is putting back in the bag is going to be used for a regular tape that we will not be using. The core that he is currently using right now, that is going to be for the auto cut feature, which he will also show you how to load the tape dispenser in just a minute. He is showing you where the blade is, and he is the type of person, he can play with it for a few minutes to a few seconds and kind of figure things out. I'm the one that has to read all the instructions. This piece for the outside that he is tinkering with, we did find out that is if he wanted to use tape and not use the auto cut feature. There is a blade on the outside on the right hand side that you would just kind of pull the tape over and, put it on the blade and it'll cut. So now he is loading the auto cut feature, and once you stick it and spin it, once it goes through that blade, you now have sections of cut heat transfer tape, and it is a lifesaver. I'm telling you, I've called Cody when I'm elbows deep in a project asking him to cut tape for me because I need it and I can't stop. And this is going to be a game changer. I can't wait to do a full review video for you guys on this. Thanks for watching.